Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss different language elements of Verilog. Identifiers. Identifiers are names given to objects so that they can be referenced in the design. For example, register value. Here reg is a register, it's a keyword. Value is an identifier. Input clock. Input is a keyword and clock is an identifier. See, identifiers may be a sequence of alphanumeric characters, digits, or a dollar symbol or an underscore symbol. Identifiers, the first character must be a letter or underscore. They cannot start with the digit or with a dollar symbol. Identifiers are case sensitive. Here the identifier written in uppercase letter and the lowercase letters are different. For example, count in lowercase letter and count in the uppercase letter, both are different identifiers. You can have some of the valid identifiers like underscore R2 underscore D2, R56 underscore 65, $5 symbol, etc. These are all valid identifiers. Escaped identifiers. Escaped identifier starts with the backslash character and ends with white space. All characters between backslash and white space processed literally. You can see some of the examples for escaped identifiers. Slash 7500, slash a plus b minus c, etc. All printable ASCII character can be included in escaped identifiers. A leading backslash character and white space at the end are not considered as part of an identifier. Thus, identifier, slash outgate and outgate are identical. Keywords. Keywords are special identifiers reserved to define the language constructs. There are large number of keywords provided in Verilog like always, and, assign, in, out, initial, primitive, large, etc. Keywords are always in lowercase letters. For example, identifier always with the lowercase letter, which is a keyword, is different from the identifier always, that is in uppercase letter, which is not a keyword. An escaped keyword is not treated same as the keyword. For example, identifier backslash initial is different from the identifier initial in lowercase letter, which is a keyword. Comments. Comments can be inserted in the code for readability and documentation. There are two ways to write comments. The first one is one-line comment. A one-line comment starts with double forward slash. Example, A equals to B logical C. Here, description for the statement can be presented in one-line comment. The second one is multiple line comment. A multiple line comment starts with forward slash with asterisk and ends with asterisk and forward slash. Multiple line comments cannot be nested. However, one line comment can be embedded in multiple line comments. You can see the example for that. The first example is the multiple line comment. Here the description for the statement is between the forward slash and asterisk and the asterisk and forward slash. The second one is the single line comment is embedded in the multiple line comment. Format. Verilog is free format hardware description language. Here you can write the constructs on multiple lines or on single line. The white space have no special significance. Let us see one example written on single line and with multiple lines. On simulation, both produces identical outputs. System tasks and functions. Tasks and functions are used to generate input and output during simulation. Verilog provides standard system tasks for certain routine operations. All system tasks appear in the form $symbol then keyword. Operations such as displaying on the screen, display system tasks, monitoring values of nets, a monitor system task, stopping and finishing, stop and finish, timing checks tasks like setup, hold, width, file open system tasks like fopen, and many more done by the system tasks. In the next slide, we will discuss only most useful system tasks like display, monitor, stop, and finish. A task can return 0 or more values, but a function is like a task except that it can return only one value. In addition, a function executes in 0 time. That means no delays are allowed, while a task can have delays. Display information. Display is the main system task for displaying values of variables or strings or expressions. This is used in Verilog constructs as $symbol with the display, then P1, P2, P3, etc. Pn. P1, P2, P3, Pn can be quoted strings or variables or expressions. The format of display is similar to printf in C language. Display inserts a new line at the end of the string by default. There is no need of introduction of any new arguments to produce a new line. Let us see one example. Display, it's COVID-19, stay home, stay safe, written inside the quotes. On simulation, the display will be like this. It's COVID-19, stay home, stay safe. There are different string format specifications are used. For example, a display the variable in decimal, the %d, display the variable in binary, %b, display the string %s, display the real number in scientific format, %e, display the real number in decimal format, %f, etc. Verilog provides a mechanism to monitor a signal when its value changes. Monitor is the system task provided by Verilog to monitor a signal when its value changes. For example, $symbol with monitor P1, P2, P3, etc. Pn. The parameters P1, P2, P3, n can be variables, signal names, or quoted strings. Monitor continuously monitor the values of the variables or signals specified in the parameter list and displays all parameters in the list whenever the value of any one variable or signal changes. Unlike display system task, monitor needs to be invoked only once. If there is more than one monitor statement in the given simulation, the last monitor statement will be active statement. There are two system tasks used to switch the monitor on and off. The first one is $symbol with monitor on and $symbol with monitor off. The monitor on task enables monitoring and the monitor off task disables monitoring during a simulation. Monitoring is turned on by default at the beginning of the simulation. Stopping and finishing in a simulation. A task stop is provided to stop during a simulation. This task is used whenever a designer wants to suspend the simulation and examine the values of signals in the design. A task finish is provided to terminate the simulation.